Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia. Today I wanted to do a chit chat get ready with me using the Jawbreaker palette that I just got over the weekend, which was actually a while ago, so it would have been like 4 days ago, but it feels really recent and I haven't gotten to use it yet because I haven't filmed since then. So I'm very excited to try out this Jawbreaker palette and just let you guys know my first kind of thoughts and feelings about it, because I did try it out in Chicago, which is where I got it. Me and my friend and my fiance, but mostly just me and my friend because my fiance went to his own thing and me and my friend went shopping, so it was really fun. I did try it out a little bit in Chicago because we tried to do, so this video will come up after the Chicago vlog, and if you watch the Chicago vlog, my friend and I tried to do a challenge and we were in a hotel room with like super horrible lighting and it was like literally midnight, and so it just didn't turn out well because the camera like didn't work well with the lighting, and plus we couldn't find a good angle, so like it was like half of our heads and it was just bad. And so I just put the challenge that we did, I put like the last clips of it into the vlog, so go check that out. It is a really funny vlog. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's get into the chit chat get ready with me. First off, with my makeup routine, I like to start off with my Tatcha the Silk Canvas. I got this at Sephora, and I will link all the products I use in the description below because I know that when I watch makeup stuff, I like when they link stuff. So all I do is I just get some on my finger and I put some on my redness. So if you have a red face like me, I do feel like this actually really helps, and it's really tiny, but it has lasted me actually quite a while. I mean, so far it's only been a few months, but like look, like there's, if you can see, there's barely a dent. Like it does work really well. So I almost put it just all over my face because I don't know if I have rosacea or what, but like I just have very, very brightly red undertones, and I just like to put it almost all over like a primer, and then I just don't use a primer because I really do feel like this helps kind of mellow my skin out and just make it a little bit calmer than it may have been previously. So after I do that, I go ahead and go in with my foundation. Today I wanted to use my CC Plus by It Cosmetics. It's got SPF 50. I'm not really going outside today with this makeup on, but this is the only one right now that matches my face. I'm just gonna use this mirror to help me put on my foundation, so forgive me if I'm looking into it. Do you watch Shameless? Because the new season just came out and I am living for it. Well, I guess technically it's not that new because I mean that it came out on Netflix. So if you watch it on TV, then you probably have already seen it, but I always wait for things to come to Netflix so I don't have to watch commercials. It's so good. If you guys have never watched Shameless, I definitely recommend. Like, it is so good. I'm telling you. Now, I'm doing a full face today because I am filming a video with Cameron. I am making him, I mean, technically not making him. He said he would do it, but he's not, you know, the most excited about it. But we're doing a weird food combinations. Like, we're gonna try some weird food combinations, so I think it'll be fun and I'm really excited about it. All right, so after I put on my foundation, I do have really creasy under eyes. If you also have creasy under eyes, then you understand. But immediately after I do my foundation, I like to, oh my goodness, let me just talk over this loudness. Immediately after my foundation, I like to put on my Born This Way ethereal setting powder. I don't know what ethereal means, but whatever. Just gonna dab that under my eye and get it everywhere like usual. But I definitely recommend if you have creasy under eyes, like, and I'm saying creasy, not greasy. I know it kind of sounds like I'm saying greasy, but if you have creasy under eyes, this actually really does help hide that like appearance, which it's not like it's ugly looking, it's just annoying more than anything. Like, you're just like, what the, you know? So I do that, and then while I'm gonna let that set, I hate how setting powder just gets everywhere. Like, what the heck? So while that is setting, I usually like to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use my Gimme Brow, and it's in the shade 4.5. I got these in Chicago. If you've seen the vlog, you saw the haul. And so these are the Jeffree Star by Morphe, or Morphe by Jeffree Star eye brushes that my friend was like, I swear by them, get them, like they're awesome. And so I'm going to use these for my eye look, which I'm going to go ahead and start now, because usually after I do the patting in and then I do my first layer of eyebrows, so right now my eyebrows are not done, but I like to do the Gimme Brow and then I like to do my eyes and then I go back in and do the rest of my eyebrows. So I don't really know why, I just started doing it that way and I've done it ever since. So this is what the palette looks like, and I'm trying to decide what color to do. I'm almost thinking like an orange and teal, like doing Cute and FUCK, if you can see those ones. Thinking of doing like those together and making an eye look. You know what? We're going to go for it. And like I've said before, I'm not a beauty guru, so I'm sorry if this sucks, like if I'm just bad at makeup, but I try. So then I'm gonna go in with Cute, which is like a teal, and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. You know what this is kind of making me think of? Is the Ice Pops. The like bomb pops or whatever that are like red, white, and blue. It's kind of giving me those vibes. I actually went to beauty school and it did not pan out because I didn't realize that, like, I had decided to go to beauty school because I was like, oh, I'm gonna cut hair. And then I went to beauty school and figured out that I don't like cutting hair. I'm gonna go in with the color Jawbreaker. It's really just like a shiny color. And I'm gonna just put that kind of on top of the look. I love this eye look, you guys. Oh my gosh, to me it looks like the Bomb Pops. Oh my god. Yes, queen, I love this eye look. I'm all about it. So now is usually when I finish my brow, and I go in with my Artiste Makeup Forever color pencil in the color Total Taupe, and I love this pencil. It's one of my favorites, but I will tell you that I also feel like all eyebrow pencils are kind of the same. Don't like come at me if you feel differently, but let me know in the comments below if you do feel differently. But I just feel like all pencils, I mean, if you get your right shade, like all eyebrow pencils work fine. I mean, they're just pencils, you know? What could the difference really be? But I will say that I do really, really love this pencil, so. I would say that Makeup Forever is definitely one of my favorite brands. Like, everything I've ever tried by them always becomes, which I haven't tried too much because it is pretty expensive, but I will say that everything I have tried it's become like one of my favorite products. Like anytime I try a Makeup Forever product, it becomes like my new fave, so I will say that. So if you're looking for a new like brand to try, I would definitely give Makeup Forever a shot. You guys, I have not waxed my eyebrows in so long. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off the under eye. If there's even anything to wipe off. Sometimes I feel like when I do the crease stuff, like, and I leave it on for too long, it mostly just stays there and there's not really much to wipe off. I do like to run my brush just over my entire face. I don't know if that's good or bad to do, but I just like to run it all over, just kind of get the hair out of the way. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner, which is the Kat Von D Locket eyeliner. Ooh, I will go ahead and do my, you could call it contour or bronzing, whatever, but I use my Hoola and I usually only put it in the contour spots, so I'll put it just there. And then put some down here. I am using my Jeffree Star Liquid Frost in the shade Ice Queen. It's almost like a rose gold. or like a rosy pink, I guess. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Ice Queen on, which I also got in Chicago when we went to the Morphe store. How pretty is this color though? It almost looks purple. I hope you can see it on camera. I'm sure you can because it looks like I'm a freaking chandelier from here. I do like to do my nose as well. I usually do like a little dab on my nose, a little dab here, and a little dab here. Ooh. Well, that's me making a mess, like always. Is she a robot or is she a real person? I don't know. I kind of love it though. I will say it is a little extra, but I love it. Lashes, so I'm going to use my Lovable Flutter lashes. So whenever I get lashes, they are always way too long at first, so I'm going to have to cut them, which I have my handy dandy regular size scissors here, so that's great. I use the Sophia Kashuk, I don't know if I'm saying that right, eyelash glue. Okay. That was like super easy. It's never been that easy, and I didn't even glue my eyes together. I didn't even glue my like eyelids together, so that's nice. That never happens. Let me know in the comments, while I'm waiting for this to dry, let me know in the comments below if you guys like these kind of like chit chat get ready with me's. I know a few of you in the last one I did said you did like it, so thank you for letting me know because it does let me know that I should do more of them. Okay, I think it's on. This one did end up getting a little bit gluey to my eye, but I think we're okay. I think it should last me at least a couple hours, which is really all I need because I'm just filming and then I'll take my makeup off. All right, I'm gonna do my mascara now, which I use the Damn Girl by Too Faced. What was I talking about? Oh, yeah, just I'm living for my highlight right now. Now I'm going to pick out my lip because that will be the last part, and then I'll just spray my setting spray. All right, so I think I am gonna stick with Mary Jo and just do, I don't know, like, I kind of want to do a bright red lip, but a part of me doesn't want to. I don't know, I can't decide. I feel like it might be too bright. I almost wish I had like a pale red. What do you guys think? I can't decide. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna do red. Yeah, I'm gonna do red. I'm gonna do some lip liner on it first though. Well, I feel like my lips are a little messy, but I'm about to film where I'm eating anyway, so I don't think that it matters that much, so. It definitely helps that you guys aren't like super close to my face because like you can't see my mess ups as much. Can't really tell if my hair looks good, so we're gonna hope that it does. This is my finished makeup look. Okay, that was really cringy. Okay. Oh, and now I need to set it with my Jeffree Star by Morphe Set and Refresh Mist. It's Starberry scent. It's amazing, so. Guys, that smells so freaking good. I can't even tell you. Like Cameron said, it smells like Red Bull. Here is my, I'm going to call it the Bomb Pop look. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me in the comments below. Let me know if you like these Chit Chat Get Ready With Me's. And also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I will see you guys in my next one.